Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Instagram Notes Music not working problem. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Instagram Notes Music not working, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the Play Store, then search for the Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, still you are facing the issue, then open the settings, scroll down a little bit, you can see here apps, just tap on the apps, just tap on see all apps, just tap on the search button, then find here Instagram, tap on Instagram, once tap on the force stop, tap on OK. In this you can see here permissions, you need to allow all the permissions, one by one you need to allow all the permissions. After allowing the permissions, then go back. In this you can see storage and cache, just tap on this, once tap on the clear cache, then go back. After that you can see here mobile data and Wi-Fi, just tap on this. You need to allow the background data access. If it is disabled, just enable this option, then go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you need to open the Instagram, just tap on your profile icon, tap on three horizontal lines in the top right side corner, tap on setting and privacy, scroll down a little bit. In this you can see here help option, just tap on the help. In this you can see here report a problem, just tap on this, tap on report a problem, tap on include and continue. Here you need to type some of the matter. Hi Instagram team, my Instagram Notes Music not working, so I kindly request you to resolve my issue as soon as possible. Like this you need to type some of the matter, and if you have any screenshot, just upload it from here. After uploading this screenshot, just tap on send button. Within 48 to 72 hours, hope your problem will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram Notes Music option not working. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.